everyone, today I'm going to show how our center prepare food for our baby. This avocado spinach oat is one of the delicious and healthy menus we serve to them. Let's get into to see how we prepare the food so that you can also prepare for your little one. First, we have roughly 15 to 20 grams of baby spinach, half avocado and half bowl of baby oats. Add water and baby oil into a saucepan and stir it under low heat. It roughly takes about 5 minutes. You can also substitute the water with formula or breast milk. And then place the cooked oat into a blender and blend until smooth. Purees are best to consume fresh. However, you may keep the extra puree into airtight containers and it can be kept in the fridge for 1 to 2 days. I will share more recipes and parenting tips in the future. Please follow us on Facebook and our YouTube channel. Thank you and bye!